This is a circle. It is round. Can you make it with your hands? Here's a square. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is a triangle. It is pointy and has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Let's take a moment to look at this artwork. What kinds of things do you see? Let's play a game. Let's see if you can find some of the objects. Can you find a rose? Can you find a water pitcher? Can you find the vase? And how about a blue and yellow flower? We can use shapes to make different types of art. Where's the circle in the flower? The artist used shapes to make their objects. This artist used a circle on the top of the water pitcher. Can you find the circle? Here's a picture of a water pitcher. And then we made one out of shapes. Let's find out what shapes we used. We used a triangle, a rectangle, a 4-sided shape, and what did we use for the handle? A heart! At home, you can make your own water pitcher out of shapes with some scrap wood pieces and glue. If you don't have a box of scrap board like I do, you could also use scrap paper. I found a shape that reminded me of a spout. Then I added some more of the body of the pitcher. It needed to be a little bit bigger, so I added another piece. I like the different colors. Then I found a piece that kind of looked like a handle, and I put it all together like a puzzle. I glued them together because I wanted them to stay together. And there's my water pitcher. You can leave it in the wood color, or you can paint different colors on it. Let's see what you can make out of different shapes.